Dear Slaters, before we start our session, listen to the given instructions carefully. Watch the video at least twice or thrice. It is not necessary to watch the whole video in one go. Pause the video wherever necessary to note down the points in the notebook. If you have any doubts, please write them and clarify those doubts with your teacher.
Dear Slaters, welcome back to the interactive session of our lesson Penamakuru, a village in the Krishna Delta. Children, we have learnt about the life of people in delta regions. Let's recapitulate few concepts again. The term delta was discussed with you already. Now, answer my question. What is a delta? We have seen that the plains are very fertile region and rich in alluvial soil with good amount of nutrients. Children, can you tell me which soil is good for cultivation? Yes, it's alluvial soil. Alluvium is the material deposited by rivers. It is very rich in nutrients and makes the soil fertile and suitable for growing crops. We also find the clayey soil in this region. In some parts of the village, we can find sandy soils. Children, now answer the question. Why alluvial soil is considered suitable for growing crops? The village has good irrigation facility. Irrigation is the process of applying controlled amount of water to plants at needed intervals. Irrigation helps to grow crops, distributes soil in dry areas, and provides water. So, in the months of less rainfall, farmers cultivate their lands through irrigation. The irrigation facility is good at Penamakuru village. Slaters, let's answer this question. How can farmers cultivate their land during the period of non-availability of water? The main crop which is grown here is paddy. The farmers grow high-yielding variety of paddy such as MTU 2716, Swarna and BTP. They are the varieties of paddy grown. All the farming activities are taken care by men and women. They cultivate turmeric, yam, banana, etc. These are sown with the arrival of rains and harvested in March. Children, answer the question. Name the farming activities done for cultivation of crops. In olden days, farmers of this village cultivated red gram, green gram, and millets. Nowadays, these crops have been replaced with vegetables and sugarcane with required irrigation. Slaters, the next question is, name the crops grown in Penamakuru village. There are about 750 families in Penamakuru. 10 of them have 10 acres of land or above. Nearly 150 families have land below 5 acres and the rest have no land. They either take land on lease from the landlords or work on others' land as laborers. Even few families in the village earn their livelihood by basket weaving, catching fish, etc., and they sell them to the nearby markets. Slaters, most of the villagers are employed in these villages. Many people work here as electricians, auto drivers, and mechanics. As we have already seen about the poultry and rice mill in this village and how they provide employment. Transport system is good in this village and is connected with nearby cities and towns through roads. This provides good markets and Raitu Bazaars to farmers to come and sell their products in the city. Children, with this we are coming to the end of our session. Note down all the answers in your notebook.